Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi. Weather in a minute. Wednesday, the 23rd of July. Another standout day ahead. Although we should point out that there are some passing clouds that are coming in from the northwest. They're just moving along. It's some blow off from thunderstorms that are occurring across the northern plains and the upper Midwest. We also have a disturbance that's moving southwestward across Florida and into the Gulf of Mexico, which for now is not showing any signs of tropical cyclone development. So in between those two things, we have what's left of the dry air up and down much of the East Coast from Maine down into Virginia, and that is going to get whittled away over the next day or so as we get into some of the hot air that is out over the Midwest. And you can see the thunderstorms that are blown up overnight across the northern plains and moving across Lake Superior. So it's from that we're seeing these little patchy clouds that are moving through. But we're not expecting anything from the standpoint of thunderstorms until maybe late in the day Friday. The Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk for isolated severe thunderstorms from northernmost New Jersey and northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastward up into Maine. And as far as rainfall is concerned, we expect to see once we get into the pattern of shower and thunderstorm activity or the chances for storms beginning late Friday and carrying through the weekend, we could wind up with 3/4 of an inch to an inch and a half in some places, getting an inch and a half plus. Tomorrow, today, we're talking about high temperatures in the low to mid 80s. For tomorrow, we're looking at highs in the upper 80s to around or just over 90. And then Friday will be the hottest day with most highs running in the middle to upper 90s from Maryland northeastward up into New England. In fact, some of the hotter temperatures may actually wind up being in central New England, where we have quite a few places forecast to go to the upper 90s. But it's really the one very hot day, and then things will drop off a bit over the weekend. As I said, once we get into late Friday, there's a risk that we could see some thunderstorms, a little frontal boundary that goes by. Saturday, we'll still have a chance for maybe a shower or thunderstorm, and probably a higher chance for storms on Sunday as a slightly stronger boundary moves on through.